What are current assets? Current assets are assets that can be converted to cash within 1 year. Current assets is high liquidity assets. Some current assets are cash and cash equivalents, accounts receivable, short-term investments such as stocks, mutual funds and many more. These assets provides for data funding of business operations or activities. Few current assets are liquid assets, because these types of assets converted into cash very short term, within 90 days, like stocks, inventory etc. Current assets are needful to continue day-to-day business activities or operations. Current assets are crucial items to planning short-term future of a company. Current assets help to achieve short-term goals of a company. So, that's all about current assets. Know more about it, go to FinPro.online. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to FinPro Online for more business and finance related videos. Bye.